And we're live on YouTube. Hey, it's Roy Richardson, your friendly neighborhood tech troublemaker, and I'm just testing out some stuff. So if you're saying this isn't very interesting, well, it probably isn't. But I was trying to figure out why some things weren't working, and I got some testing out some new gear and a new setup. I still got some work to do, but it's getting closer. I'm testing. Where's my phone? Ah, here's my phone. All right, cool. Ta-da! Hang on. Hey, Sammy. Let's see. So I'm testing this. I definitely need to fix that. It doesn't look very good. I got to fix the layout. Da-da-da-da. Favorite. Then we'll do Super Mario. There we go. Hey, thanks for the like. It doesn't go away. Sammy, I'm trying to figure it out. I really thought comments went in for like 10 seconds and then pop back out. I have not sold the Mac Mini. I wasn't planning to. I wasn't planning on making this new machine my daily driver, but then I'm like, dude, this is so much power. I got to do something. So, yes, that's where I'm at. I'm playing around now. So, why do comments not go away after 10 seconds? They used to go away after 10 seconds. So, interesting. Very interesting. But not funny. I have to go hit the manual. I know I'm looking for it. Let's see. Comments, Ecamm, live, timing, time limit. There we go. Somebody's looked for it besides me. Ta-da. All right. Streaming, Ecamm, preferences window. Yes. Play a sound with comment. All right, let's go look. All right, let's do the sharing. I have not set up my Stream Deck for anything yet, so it's still unset. All right, ta-da. All right, there we go. All right, so looking at Ecamm, preferences live. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's in the settings. Hey, Parker, I'm just doing some testing tonight. I've got some new equipment, and I changed out my setup, and I wanted to make sure things were still working. And I was trying to solve a problem with comments automatically hide comment overlays. All right, when fewer comments added, there is use the setting to automatically hide it after a given number of seconds. So, where's that at though? All right, in comments, you can drag comments and suggestions. Maybe it's in the. Yeah, you know what the heck, man. We can just have all the funs tonight. I want to solve this comments thing first, but yeah, definitely drag a comment from comments right into the main window. You can automatically convert your comment to a styled overlay. Maybe that's where I'm missing the answer. I should have shut down Ecamm in the middle of things because I'd set a setting that I had never set before that I'm like, that would be a good setting. Preferences. All right, let's see. General. Automatic overlay alignment sticky. Okay. Here we go. Found it. It's here. Let's go live demo mode. Yeah, there we go. So there it is. Live demo mode. It's right here. Set it 15 seconds. I'm going to set mine. I think mine normally is 10 seconds. No, I can't. 10 seconds. Let's do 10 seconds. All right. That's what I was looking for. So, could not find it. Hey, Dan, how you doing there tonight? Just playing around with Ecamm. Wow, there's a lot of people out tonight. I am just testing things. So, I got a new system, and so I was testing out Ecamm and trying to get some things set back to what my world of normal is. Granted, everybody's version of normal is different, but my version of normal, I was trying to set it up and get it going. And so, yeah. Anyway, let me go here. Then, do I have a scene? I do have a scene. All right, let's make a scene. Okay, interview, moving on. Let's chat. Hang on. I guess I need to look at my interview settings. Something is missing. I'm missing the invite part of my interview mode. Anyway, how's everybody doing tonight? I hope that you guys are doing good. Let's see, I don't need that. Yeah, Rich, how you doing tonight? So, just playing around trying to figure out how the Ecamm messed up earlier during a large live. So I'm always happy to see how smarter people than me like you do things. No, I'm as crazy as a bag of cats. So I'm not really the guy that you go to see smarter things. You go and look at train wreck things and say, yeah, that ain't what I want to do. That guy's crazy. Why'd he do that? Yeah, I'm missing. So anyway, so this is Ecamm, fresh install of Ecamm. I brought over my one of my profiles from my other Mac, and so trying to figure out. It's like I'm missing the option to invite people to. Let's go interview. Okay, normally I just click on it. Interesting. Let me check my interview settings here and see if there's something I'm missing. Live stream. Yeah, okay, sure. Light logo, dark. Yeah, I'll have to get another image. Turn off auto processing. Set default mode to dark. I like dark mode. There we go. Create. Normally, I just click. There's interview chat. Normally, let's do this. The other night, I had to turn off interview mode and turn it back on because my guest couldn't join. It was the craziest thing. Huh. Interesting. Let's see. Trying to figure out what's going on here, guys. Let me see. If you want to see the madness that I'm going through, let me see. Yeah, I'm in live demo mode, so you're seeing me. Copy the link. Yeah, that's what I normally do, but I normally just click here and it, wow, why do I have so many of these? Normally I go here and I do copy the link. Wow, let's go into settings here. Why do I have so many of these? Yes, yep, that's cool. Say reset the link. Sure, I don't care. It's fine. I haven't done it in a while. But I do need it working by... That's interesting. Trying to figure out here what's going on. Let me take it out of live demo mode. Maybe that somehow is... There we go. You cannot, by the way, do an interview link when you're in live demo mode. So that's what it is. You cannot do it. Oh, thank you. Yes. Parker's got it. He's like, it shows up when you're not in demo mode. And that's exactly what was going on. I was in demo mode, so therefore it would not let me do it. Let's see what I got showing right now. Oh, I'm not even in the picture right now. I got to go add myself to the camera. I'm sorry. I should spare you guys my image, but I was playing around there. Let's see. Trying out stuff here. All right. There's... Bam. Let's see. Sammy, you want to join the party? I sent you a link, sir. Yeah. All right. So I do have... All right. So I've got stuff set up here. All right. So I'm going to try out... I need to try Mac. I need to buy a Mac. You do need to buy a Mac. It's amazing. It is. And you can get you, like, unless you need it to be a laptop, get you an M2. Just get you an M2 Mac Mini, and you will be thrilled. Get at least 16 gig of memory, because that's what I got. My base model M1 was 16 gig, and I've actually never had any issues with it at all. But now I have a need for some portability. So let's see. Yeah, all right, cool. So I need to probably do some formatting on my comments, but let's go. Let's see. I need to be 48 is pretty good. Let's go. It may be a security thing. That is an interesting question. Yeah. So just playing around with live demo mode was trying to figure out what was going on there. So, yep. Need to buy a Mac. Wow. It shows me a while in live demo mode. So, yeah, thank you there, Parker. I found it out the exact moment you said that. I would not have found it, though, if you had not said that, because it's just kind of like somebody else is thinking it. And now, okay, so just copy that link. So anyway, yep. Cool beans. And I don't even have my Stream Deck set up yet because it's just that new out of the box right now. Da-da, da-da, da-da. That scene is too slow. I gotta fix that. Too slow. Q&A. I don't like that scene. That's nifty. Da-da. Okay, yeah. I gotta do some cleanups here. So, all right, yeah. This is fun. Anybody want to jump on? Let's see. I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna post the interview link right in chat. If anybody's brave enough to want to come on, I want to make sure I gotta have this thing happy for Tuesday. So I gotta push all the buttons and break everything so it's happy for Tuesday. Let's see. Let me take a look at some modes here. All these are still set to my old camera, so I got to fix it to the new camera. It's not a new camera. It's the camera, but I changed. I'm now doing a, it's like all this stuff from old profiles. So, all right. Yeah, need to let my green screen back up. So, all right. Well, good. I figured out that setting in the comments. That's what was messing me up. So now that I got that figured out, I'm happy. It was messing my head, and I just kept overlooking it. And now I got that fixed. I thought it was like, that's weird. All right, let's see who's my victim. It's Sammy. What's up, man? It's Sammy Superstar in the house. Let's see. Let me find. Hopefully, I got a scene here that's gonna work. I have that one. There we go.
Hello, Roy.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
You're having a clearance sale. You're still selling stuff?
Yes, I am.
You should do your own version of Amazon Live. Here's Sammy Superstar's Amazon Live, but there's no Amazon in it, and I'm selling all my stuff.
Selling gear. I'm selling live gear.
So you're getting ready to go to film school, right?
Yes. That's why.
That's awesome. Where are you going to school?
I'm going to FDU Fairleigh Dickinson.
Oh, wow.
It's a great college for film. One of the top 20 film schools.
Wow.
So
that's very awesome.
What I'm bringing is my MacBook.
Yeah.
My SM7B and my camera, basically. Because what I learned from creating content is all this gear I haven't really used in the last couple months because I've been creating shorts and other projects outside of the studio. So a lot of my gear that I bought over the years is basically useless. So I'm getting rid of the A10 Mini, the different capture cards, just going to keep one different microphone. So I'm just downsizing.
It's a good thing. I was going to say, I need to see if I should hook up my third monitor. So I have a monitor right above my camera, a little 7-inch monitor I run there. That's my confidence monitor to make sure. Yeah. So I like that setup. Hey, Dagan, how you doing out there tonight? So yes, I'm just testing. I got a new machine, and I'm moving Ecamm and all my streaming stuff over, and I want to make sure it's all still working, that I haven't really messed it up. And so I just brought a profile over, and I haven't programmed anything yet. Let's see. Yep, there's Sammy in the house. Let me change that. I like I said, this is an old profile I brought over. I haven't cleaned it up yet. I got to keep cleaning it up there.
Yeah. So, I have a question for you. Are you going to be keeping the Mac Mini as your main streaming device, or are you going to use your MacBook Pro?
So I have decided I'm probably going to use the MacBook Pro. Yeah. I'm sad too, because that was not my original plan. I was just trying to get a laptop ready for going to Creator Camp, and I was going to get a MacBook Air. I said, it'll run it. I know it won't run it well, but it'll run it just good enough. And then, they have an education discount, and then they give you and they give you a $150 gift card too. So
you saved a lot of money. I'm still deciding if I should go to Creator Camp. The only thing is I have classes then. That's the only
Yeah.
reason. And the thing I'm actually might do is I might talk to Doc because I'm friends with him and I have met him. I
Yeah.
might just see if I could just go up for a day because I'm like an hour away, 2 hours away
Yeah.
from the headquarters. So basically, I have to see. That's basically what is happening. So I have to figure that out, but I'm really close. So I might just maybe do like a visit or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that would be cool. I'm just excited. There's so many Ecamm folks that are going to be there that I've never met in person, so I'm really excited about that. So that's going to be just a blast. So I'm really excited. Let's see,
So
changing up scenes
so if
here.
I go, I already have the gear because I have my MacBook Pro 14-inch, and it's wonderful. You got 14-inch with Pro or Max?
Shh, I have the Max. I got the Max with 32 gig of memory because I'm doing a lot more video editing. And so I wanted to make sure that I could do my video editing. So yeah,
So this is the craziest part. I thought I was going to keep the Mac Mini.
yeah,
I got the Pro, but I do crazy because I do
why?
crazy After Effects work in Premiere. I'm a Premiere guy.
Yeah,
So I love this and I got a really good deal on this. So I was like, okay, let me try this out because I was thinking, oh, I still have my Mac Mini and I have some other Macs, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is powerful. Like I'm doing this project 4K
yeah,
project super fast with base model MacBook Pro because I thought, oh, I'm gonna have my Mac Mini still, and I actually
yeah.
traded it in, and I haven't used it in like 7 months. So I just love this machine.
Now I may have to go get 4K monitors because I just been getting cheap 1080s. So I'm like, oh yeah, I know
Yeah,
the Mac Mini will do 4K, but but man, even on 1080, the screen is so crisp on this thing. I'm like blown away. The graphics are just amazing on this. Hey, tall boy, how you doing tonight? I am in South Carolina. So yeah, Rich, I am way, way far away. I'm in South Carolina. I'm not near anybody. Nobody streams from here. I'm the only
yeah,
person in
yeah,
South
yeah.
Carolina.
So I'm gonna be the party crasher. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, yeah.
The only thing is, I just don't want to spend $500 and then realize, oh, I can't go.
Yeah, that
You
would
know,
be bad. No, I can totally understand
so
that.
I'm just
So
gonna talk to Doc. Maybe
yeah.
here's the
Well, there's
thing.
gonna be some after the party kind of activities and stuff. So maybe you could get a chance
That
to
that's what I was
maybe I
thinking
don't know.
because also you never know. Because
You
I might
never
be
know.
working on this big project. I might be working on a second TV show. You never know.
Well, based on the strike that's happening between the Writers Guild and the Actors Guild, it's all going to be volunteer, non-union actors if you do anything at all. So it's going to be interesting.
Hey, I can pay well. I can pay well. So you never
Yeah.
know. I get
Yeah.
Georgia Clooney
There you
on
go,
a
George Clooney. Yeah. So that get George Clooney on your movie. That would be good. So yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. So yeah. I bet you're in film school. Everybody in film school wants to be in a film and make films, so you'll have plenty of volunteers, I'm sure, back and forth, and
yeah.
so that's good stuff. I'm really excited for you, man. That's cool.
Thank you.
Very cool. Very cool. Let's see.
And basically, without YouTube, I wouldn't be going to film school. But I just love cameras and all that
That's
stuff.
true. Oh man,
And I
yeah,
just want a certification because also I do video productions. So I want to even learn even more. They have a whole sound stage so I can film whatever I want, basically. And they
yeah.
have some really nice cameras that I can rent out that are beautiful. Ari Alexas.
Wow, wow.
Those are $50,000 a piece. Just the
Yes,
brains.
Yes, they
So
are, and red cameras are expensive too. But those that you mentioned, I've heard of those. Those are even more expensive. So
yeah. So and they also have Sony's and all that stuff. But
yeah,
it's
that's
gonna
gonna be
be
amazing.
interesting.
So
And
I'm really happy for you. And
thank you. And I'm still gonna be creating content. So that's good.
what kind of movies are you thinking that? What is your? Are you leaning toward? Like documentaries, or are you leaning toward you want to do more dramatic movies or action movies or romance?
Actually,
You want to do a little bit of everything, but
I
what's
like to
really
do
your heart?
everything. I can do everything. That's really what I want to do because I do like promotional videos for people. I do different types of videos, but I just really want to get more skills and I want to learn even more so I can actually build what I can do. Because if
Yeah.
I say, "Hey, I'm already beyond my years," like if if someone tells me, "Oh, I want an ad," I say, "Okay, I can do that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a good editor. I can do this and that, but I want to get even better and more training." So, but I want to make some short films. I want to make some documentaries. So, yeah.
Yeah, that's good stuff. Yeah, I mean, so let me know when your first premiere's happening. Well, I'll do everything I can to get there. So, you
Yes.
know, that's some good stuff, man. Good. Um, yeah. So I'm pretty excited. This is going to be a neat setup. I got to work some more bugs out. I'm running cables in temporary places, and I got a wall mount. I'm gonna
Yeah.
mount my laptop to the wall so that it's
Oh,
so I don't have to
oh,
take up any desk space. So
smart.
I don't know, but I'm gonna do it anyway, even if it's not smart.
I was about to say you could have like how are your monitors range right now?
So I got 3 monitors, one,
Yeah.
two, three. Well, 4 if I count my little 7-inch monitor. So, and I've got on they're on hydraulic arms, so I can move them around any way I want. So I got my camera between monitor 1 and 2, and actually, so the far left monitor left for me is
Yeah.
my work monitor. Then I have the middle monitor that's it whatever I'm doing, that's what it does. And then the far right monitor for me is the main monitor for everything. So yeah.
Because I was about to say it would be cool if you just had your laptop on the desk and then you have your two monitors on top of it. So it would be like a stacked monitor layout.
Yeah. The issue is that my day job, I spend a lot of time in front of a monitor and the MacBook couldn't stay there. So since I have to, this is a co-op desk.
Yeah.
It's work in the daytime and create content creation at
Tuning in the
night.
night.
So yeah.
I totally get it.
Yeah, so this works pretty good for me. I got the lights. The lights are always up, and like I said, I'm getting ready to move to a new studio in about the next two or
Very
three
cool.
weeks. So got to paint the room and put down new flooring.
So is it a new room or a new studio? Like,
It's a new
is
room
it
in the house. We're gonna so moving kids around and taking the bigger room. Uh,
that's
'cause-
great.
yeah,
So,
so
so
it's time.
basically, you're gonna have bigger
Yeah, I'll have a lot more
space.
space. So I should be able to put a lot more space between me and the back wall. That's something I haven't liked, is that I was really close to the back wall on this. It's a little space. It's like, 6 by, I don't know, 6 by 6 kind of space. I'll probably have about 10 by 6 space, probably, if not a little bigger.
Yeah,
So yeah. And,
that's great.
I got some more lighting coming behind me kind of stuff. I'm set for as lights in the front.
Yeah.
But I'm planning on changing this up, but I'm probably going to drop down to 24 frames per second. So I'm probably going to do 4K 24 frames per second and try to move it that way. So yeah, that's my plan, is to kind of go with a little bit slower and drop
Frame
my
rate.
lighting down, go a little more Peter McKinnon kind of lighting kind of thing. That's what I want to get closer to. That's what I'm looking at. So
Um, I was about to say, and then you said you like the dark gray.
It's that gray. It's a Winchester gray. You can pretty much
Yeah,
bounce any color light off of it you want. So, yeah, a lot of creators paint their wall gray and then they bounce purple or blue. I think Luria does that. She does bounces colors off the wall, but she's been doing a lot of backdrop lately though behind her.
yeah, yeah. I was about to say, I think Doc did that.
Yeah, he probably did. Yeah, probably. That's the other thing is I did think about getting like one of the paper rolls back behind and like
Yeah,
different color paper, and I could do that too. So that's something that's probably next year. I don't see me doing that this year, so baby steps. And I'm probably going to be in a new house in the next 2 years, so I don't want to put too many things in. I just have to tear down. So
yeah, I get that.
a lot of transition happening, but I got to keep things moving, and the channel's been growing a little bit more. March, and April did terrible, but I didn't do very much. But now I'm much more active, much more involved. So
That's great.
I'm happy about that to actually get moving. Hey, how you doing out there tonight? Tech for your needs. How you doing? I am just doing a test. I got a new laptop, and so I'm moving Ecamm over to it, and so I'm just trying to test out and everything. And I just loaded a profile. Like I said, I hadn't even got the Stream Deck. I haven't even got the Stream Deck programmed yet, so it's there. So anyway, Sammy jumped on to help me test out to make sure
Yeah,
interview was working, and then I was working through some settings, trying to figure out why I couldn't make comments. Comments weren't just going away after a few seconds. So definitely shout out to everybody that came by to see the madness that I'm doing here.
yeah.
So
Congrats
interesting.
on your new Mac.
Yeah, well, I got to make it pay for itself now. The other thing I've done is I started my LLC this week, so I'm
Great,
now officially
congratulations.
incorporated. So all these
And
things I've been
and
talking
you
about.
have a company card?
I don't yet, but I will. I have a digital business card. I have like a dot. You can go and tap it on somebody's phone, and it pops up and shows my links. So
What I did was I opened a bank account,
I got to do
and
that this week.
yeah, and then I have a bank account where I purchase all my gear, and all my business related things goes
Yeah,
there, and I get tax write off. And then whenever I do client work, or
hmm
when I get paid for something, it
yeah,
usually goes there because you don't get taxed. Actually, it's
hmm.
something like that.
Yeah. Well, you get taxed, but you look to get breaks because you have,
Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. So
It's
yeah,
less.
definitely. Yeah, I plan to take advantage of that. Um, so yeah, because all these subscriptions add up. You got Canva Pro, you've got uh, you know, having a brain cramp,
Cam.
Epidemic Sound, and then everything like that, Ecamm,
Yeah,
and all that. All these subscriptions add up, definitely. So just want to be able to kind of put that together into a business. And also I've started a merch shop finally. So if you go to shop.techtroublemaker.com, you'll see my shop now. So pretty happy about that. I'm having a good time with that. I did go a fourth wall. Several
yeah.
people, and I saw Doc had gone with fourth wall as well. So I was like, oh,
Me
that's
too.
cool. I like fourth wall. That's good stuff. Good stuff. So let me see. I really gotta get some scenes here, but anyway, let's do the sharing. All right, me sharing. Hang on, I'll bring in a camera for you, sir. Camera, guest, squircle. There we go. So anyway,
Very. I like the fourth wall.
I do like fourth wall. It's good stuff. So let's begin of this scrolling. Hello, mouse. Where did my mouse go? Hang on. Gotta get used to the second monitor over here now. That's right. I got it in. There we go. All right. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I've done some designs already. Nothing major yet, but just kind of starting out with it, and I'm pretty happy. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, definitely trying really hard to definitely keep things going while it's moving forward. I had a period of time where I had like zero growth, and that was rough. I don't mind it growing slow, but if it doesn't grow at all, then I know I'm not doing something right, and I got to focus and make things better. And so that's what I've been working on.
I noticed you've been posting a lot of shorts.
I've been playing with Opus Pro. It's been slow today. I don't know who else out in the chat has been using Opus Pro, but Opus Pro has been kind of slow the last week. And the other thing is, I'm not as thrilled with the results. It really depends on how you did the video itself. It makes a huge difference. So if you don't really kind of think ahead and say, hey, I know I'm going to do Opus Pro or something, then the results are not great. But if you put people in their own frame, especially because I do like to do a lot of interviews and put people in their particular frame, and make sure that they're in a frame by themselves for periods of time long enough to actually do shorts with that. Those do pretty good. But if you have 3 people on a screen, it just doesn't do very well like that. So that's the downside to Opus Pro. And the other thing, so like tonight, for example, I downloaded one of the videos from Opus Pro, and then I brought in the Final Cut Pro, and I decided it was too slow. And then I'm like, you know what? Let me go through. So I took the video and ran it through Recut and took out all the silence from the video. And then I brought it into the Final Cut Pro, and then I edited it out and took out chunks and stuff. So, hey, Alec, how you doing tonight? I got a new computer, so I'm moving Ecamm over to it, and so I'm trying to get everything worked out and make sure it's all working. So that's where I'm at. And
I was going to tell you,
yeah,
I haven't really used Opus Pro because I either use Adobe or Captions because I have better results with that. But I know a lot of people have been saying Opus Clip is great,
right.
But the only thing is, sometimes that's not going to be as good because the human editors are still there. And what I was about to say was, when I was doing interviews, I was doing it manually and it was fine, but I know a lot of people have less time, so you could do that. But there's just services now that are popping up so you don't have to do it.
Yeah, and that's the downside to Opus Pro is that I really haven't seen a lot of views on the Opus videos. So I've been kind of disappointed by that. It's just they don't get a lot of views. Now, the videos that I create myself,
get great views.
They may not blow up, but they usually do better than 3 views. So I've gotten a lot better at editing. I've got a lot of tools I've gotten from Motion VFX to help with shorts and help with vertical videos. And so it's just a time thing. I was trying to see if I could get something out of the AI that was really useful. And I know they're getting better and better at Opus Pro. They're going to continue to get better. And I jumped on, I bought a year's worth of Opus Pro, and hopefully before the year's out, they'll have it really amazing. But I am finding that it does not do, so far the shorts that it makes are not getting a lot of views. So a little disappointed there, but you get what, it's take a chance. And so definitely got to keep working on what else I can do. And I just need to take the time and do editing. My problem is I'm a perfectionist, and I will take 4 hours to edit an 8-minute video, and it's just, I don't have that kind of time, and I need to get at least a video recorded each week. Every other week is my goal, and still do shorts, and I'm going to continue to do lives every Tuesday night. So that is the part of my channel that I love the most, is doing the live videos, because folks like these folks, all you amazing folks are out there now that showed up to watch this train wreck of whatever it is I'm doing tonight, when I'm just saying I'm testing something. So I didn't know who would be out on a Friday night. I just wanted to see if I was testing to see if I could figure out the bug that I was trying to figure out. So, now that I've solved all those mysteries, I can call it a night. So I think I am going to keep this setup, especially after my wall mount for the MacBook comes. Then I'll mount the Mac to the wall, so I'm taking up less desk space. And I really do need just cable management, but I don't want to put too much effort into it. Because like I said, I'm moving in 2 weeks, so to a new room for my studio. So
I was about to say something.
sorry.
No. It's about short form creating. I know you were doing. Didn't you really like the Captions app for a bit? I think they did some updates.
I do have the Captions app. I do like the Captions app. In fact, I found out, and you probably already knew this, is that I can take a horizontal video, full-length horizontal video, and airdrop it to my phone, and then run that video through Captions, and then it will add the captions to horizontal video.
Yeah.
So I don't know if anybody knew that or not, but if you have the Captions app, you can send horizontal video through Captions app, and it will put the captions on there. So I did.
I'm just messing around with it again.
Yeah.
And I think you can actually have it AI edit now for you.
Well, yeah, they've had that feature. I never liked the way that it did it. It may be better now. It may be. But I do have the Captions app.
And now you can add music, titles,
but
eye contact. So that's pretty cool.
it is, but I like the insane way I do it. I will send it to my phone, run it through Captions to get my captions, then I'll send it back to the Mac so I can run it through Final Cut Pro. It's insane, but it's just I have so many cool effects I can add and stuff. Not to try to narrow it down, and I'll run it through, recut and take out any silence and stuff like that ahead of time. So I'm just trying to tighten up my video editing, and so I released a video about a week ago. I was pretty happy about when I had a bunch of friends.
Yes, and you used the Captions app. I
did use the Captions app to do that. Yeah. So I'm like, but I'm like, are we ready for captions on horizontal videos? That's the question. But
Mr. Beast was doing that.
Yeah, he does. But he has a crew. I'm a person of one, so I have to. But yeah, I can run it through Captions. I was really shocked that I could do that. I thought, hey, I wonder if I could run a horizontal video through the Captions app, and bam, it sure did. It captioned it, and then I airdropped it back to my Mac, and then put it back in the Final Cut Pro and did that. And the reason I did that is because one of the videos that was sent to me, they had already put the captions on their video. I'm like, well, man, that's going to stand out. They've got captions on their video. What if I do something crazy and put captions on all the little snippets of video when I put it all together? So so that was a fun process doing that. So, yeah.
That is the power of Captions. And this is the question. Did you see more audience view? Like, did you notice people stayed longer?
That's a good question. I have not looked at the analytics on that video. Let's go find out. Let's do the sharing. So I'll go ahead and reveal all my sins.
Interesting,
Yeah, I don't think it did that well, but let's go find out. I don't mind airing all my.
No, it has 80 views. That's good.
Let's see, content. Yeah, but the question is, how long do people watch? So videos. I got
a lot of scheduled posts.
I got crazy today. Having power makes things interesting. Oh wow, here it is. So here's the video. Let's go look at the analytics on it. Okay, 80 views. Okay, that's pretty good. I got 3 hours of watch time. So for an 8-minute video, that's pretty good. Concurrent viewers 4 because I did a premiere. Average view percentage. So I'm a little sad about this. My AVD was only 2 minutes 17 seconds on a 6-minute and 32-second video, and 35%. But that's not bad. That we had looks like Yeah, 30%, over 30% for most of the videos. So that's I'm pretty happy about that. That's pretty good.
Check your. Oh, I was about to say, didn't you do one last year? Check that from last year or something.
Oh, to do a baseline comparison to see kind of how it did. Yeah, okay. So let's see what reach. Let's see. Most of my traffic came from browser features, external, direct, unknown, YouTube search. Let's see. Oh, interesting. I got a fair percent from Instagram. I was pretty happy about that then because I did some promotion over there.
And also Facebook.
And Facebook. Yeah, Facebook was the majority of the views. Whoop, I didn't mean to click on that again. Close. All right. Here's always the funny part. Wow, I didn't click on it again. It's just doing crazy. I'm just gonna hold hands off the mouse. Hands off the mouse. All right.
Suggested videos.
The videos that suggested mine. Yeah, that's the weird part. None of these. I never understand these things. Never make any sense. Why would a video called "Settling into Our New Home with All the Critters" lead to views? I don't know. Let's see. Portion of total traffic. Not enough traffic to report. Portion of traffic. So search terms: content creator, eCam.
Yeah.
I am the creator. The creator. Interesting search terms. I have to go pick one. Let's see. Bell 78 subscribers got notifications. So that's cool. 100%. All right. So engagement. Yeah. So anyway, all right. So I got this one. And I will.
And then check the.
Let's see, the Christmas one probably.
Yeah.
That's probably the one you're talking about.
The 12 days.
Let's go find my Christmas video from way back. I only have like 1,000 videos now, so you know. Mr. Beast said you do 100 bad videos and then you'll start getting good. And I've only done 300 bad videos. I've got to get good sooner or later. So. Let's see. I'll get there any day now. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. 12 days, 13 days of Christmas. So, but that's actually about 2 years ago. 196 views, 7.2 hours of watch time. I only got one subscriber from it. So let's see. All right.
Same duration.
Same duration. Yeah. So obviously it's me. I'm the reason that people don't want to watch. Let's see. 2 minutes and 17 seconds on that one. 2 minutes and 11 seconds on that one. 33.9% AVD. APV, actually. APV. I didn't click that.
Remember, this is the thing. More people's view duration has switched. Do you know what I mean? Because short form content has been bigger than ever. So people aren't watching as much, you know?
Wow. Yep. That one had most of the views came from
this is a very, very interesting study.
It is. It is. It means I need to do better. That's what it really means. It means
wait, I want to check what is my average view. My last
for the
video.
channel overall, it's get me out of this loop. Jane, stop this crazy thing. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, that was an experiment. Anyway, let's see, analytics. Go to video analytics. That's just that video. I don't want to see that. Let's go to analytics here, and let's see what the channel as a whole has done. That's the last 28 days, though, but let's see. See more. No.
Oh, so my average view duration is worse than yours. But I haven't posted in like a long form video in a bit. I just post, and a lot of my subscribers came from shorts. So, but I really should do a long form video.
Well, most of my watch time has been from shorts lately. So, in the last 20 days, I've just done a bunch of different shorts. But only one really did anything.
I need to get my watch time up because I only have, let me check.
My watch time has been dropping, so it's because I have not been doing recorded videos. So look at my watch time. My watch time has dropped down to 1,714. So
No, Roy. I'm even worse.
I'm gonna get this bumped up. This is gonna.
It's only 312, and it used to be a couple thousand, and something happened.
Wow. So I'm getting ready to blitz the internet with videos that I'm going to record instead and mix it in with my life.
I
So
really have to record a video.
then I'm also going to do a long marathon. I'm gonna go live for like 2 days straight. just stay on. So
I was thinking this is best watch time. Do a conference on YouTube, how to be a tech troublemaker for 2 days.
Yeah, there you go. It's gonna do like a telethon
Live stream to get watch hour.
Raise money for charity. Get people to give money.
And selling gear.
Selling gear.
I'm selling this. I'm selling that. I'm selling this.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for all the help helping me test, sir. I appreciate it. And if there's anybody still out there, thank you for putting up with us this long. It was fun. And hopefully you guys all have a wonderful night. And we're going to call it a night. Thanks, everybody. Bye.